So EME Guard XS 40 gigs is a personal monitor. So it's measuring the electromagnetic fields that come from antenna. So it's a broadband unit, so it's covering every emission coming from FM, TV, and cellular networks. So the purpose of this unit is to warn workers when he's entering on a radio site. It can be a radio tower, it can be also a rooftop or either a water tower. And it will warn you as soon as you receive too high level of exposure. Right now, the exposure of the workers to electromagnetic fields is under European Union regulation. So that gives, in fact, one threshold that should not be exceeded. So the unit is, in fact, preset to this threshold. As soon as you enter one radio site, the unit will monitor every second what's the exposure of the workers. And if you get a high level, you will get warned directly once you reach this threshold. So this means that you should not stay at this location because the emission has not been switched off before entering. EME Guard XS is at first one sensor, so it's made of 3 dipole, orthogonal dipoles that give an isotropic answer. So whatever the orientation of the unit, it will measure the same. This is doing a continuous measurement up to 40 gigs, so it's covering also the new millimeter waves that are going to be used for 5G networks. It's equipped with an audio and a visual alarm, so you can start when the exposure is starting to rise, you can check the LED, and as soon as it reaches the reference level, you get also audio alarm that will be activated. This one is preset to one of these reference levels, ECLIR for Europe, FCC for the US, and safety code 6 for Canada. This is one unit that goes on the field, so we made it with this wood cover to prevent against the shock that you're gonna get when you are climbing. MVG is providing a personal meter for almost 20 years now. We started providing this unit to customers working really in the radio world, people who really install and maintain emitters. More recently, we saw a new kind of customer. They are still working at high, going on rooftop, on tower, but not necessarily installing or maintaining antenna. EME companies, water tower, maintenance companies. So these workers can be also approaching antenna, so need to check what the status of the antenna before entering on the site. EME Guard is a family, so we have different versions available. First one, EME Guard XS, is measuring up to 6 gigahertz. We have the second version measuring up to 40, and we have a more complete version which is EME Guard Plus. The main difference is that this one is coming together with a data logging function, so you can download the result with a USB port at the end of the week. And together with the software, you can also preset the alarm threshold by yourself.